Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be doing another DIY for you guys today. I've been seeing these, so I was like, let me go ahead and give it a try. So I'm going to be doing the DIY junk skirt. So I wanted to keep this one nice and girly and simple, so I grabbed a couple of items. So the first thing I have is this denim skirt. This denim skirt is super old. It's from Old Navy. I think I got this literally like 15 years ago. It's super old. I grabbed this little sticker pin from Hobby Lobby. I grabbed some iron-ons from Amazon, an old pair of junk tags that I had already, some bows, some old pins that I have, and then of course the E6000 glue. So this is something nice and simple. Anybody can do it, but we're gonna start off first. You already know how I am. I typically like to have some type of form. Even though they say junk, you can do whatever you want, I like to kind of formulate my stuff first prior to doing it. So I'm going to start off. I wanted this nice and cute and girly, so I grabbed a couple of these bows that I already had from some socks I did a while ago. So I'm just sorting them out, giving them some type of design, some type of shape to mine. So I'm going to start off with doing just 3. Let's move them up a little bit, kind of give me some type of cute girly design. So I started off with the bows. I laid them out, and then we're gonna add in some of these pink little balls that I already had. So we're gonna do a couple of these balls. So these typically are like small, medium, and large ones in here. So I'm gonna just take a few and just kind of sort them out. So I have some pink ones, I have some light pink ones, and then I have like some pearl like white ones. So we're just gonna put the pearls on the skirt. Again, this pack is from Amazon. I bought this when I did some socks that I previously did before. I'll link that video as well as my junk sock video below. But we're just gonna take a couple of these pearls and just kind of lay them out on the skirt, nice and simple. So the trick to this, to make it look nice and neat, is just kind of like formulate some type of design. You don't necessarily have to have a design. You can kind of put stuff wherever you would particularly like it to go. So I'm just going to lay out a few of them to see. I kind of mixed them up and did some of the lighter pink ones. I did a couple of the darker pink ones, and I think I added in maybe like some of the white pearly ones as well. So it doesn't matter where they go, just kind of formulate them, put them on the skirt, wherever. You can add more, you can add less. I did it a little lighter, but just kind of formulate them and put them wherever that you would like them. So that is the first thing I did, just kind of lay out the design. And then with the first batch of stuff, I'm going to use my E6000, and then I have these iron-ons. That's going to probably be the last thing I do. This variety pack was actually on Amazon. I think it's like 46 in a pack, and they were like $10 or $12 or something like that. I'll leave that as well in the description box. But these, I loved it. It was like a sorted one, so it had like variety of different designs. They had some butterflies, they had some hearts, they had some like girl power, they had cupcakes, they had everything in this design. So I thought this was perfect. Get everything that you need all in one. And then the sticker, of course, again, I got that from Hobby Lobby for $2.50. And then this old pack that I did the junk socks with. So we're gonna start off first with using our E6000 glue. I used the E6000 glue this time. Of course, you can always sew on your designs, all of that. But the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and use my E6000 on the pearls. And then the bows. So use a generous amount and kind of press them so they'll stay. Press them. I'm going to do a couple, and then we're going to do the bows. So the bows, I did the ends of 2 of them, and I also did the middle, so it'll stay a little longer. Super cute already. And then we're going to do a second one. And just kind of press them down so it'll stay. So that is the first side. Fast forward, we're going to jump into the second one. So as you can see, everything that I needed to glue down is already glued down. So the second portion is the stuff that does not need glue on them. So I have this little cute sticker, again, from Hobby Lobby. It's nice and cute. I love the design. I actually probably should have got like 2 of them, but I think it's okay with the one. So it's a cute little girl with the sunglasses. So again, this is like a sticker, so it'll fit right on there. So I think I'm gonna put this up at the top of the skirt. I thought to do the bottom, I was like, nah, it doesn't look right in the center, so let's kind of center it to the top. Super cute, and it just presses on, nice and simple. So you see our skirt is taking a little bit of shape. Nice and cute with the bows. And then we have these pins, brooch pins. Y'all, already used these for my junk socks, and I had a couple left over that I did not use. So I was like, let me go ahead and just add them on. The purpose of the junk socks in the junk skirt is to simply, you know, just add on the pins and bows and whatever else that you can find. So you can't have a junk skirt without a little brooch pins. So I have about 4 that I'm going to use. They were exactly the same, so I just did one on each side and then the other one on the other side, kind of like match them up. So the junk pins you just kind of put on and just let it hang. Super cute. Again, one on one side, one on the other. And then I'm going to put these 2 at the bottom. So one on one side and one on the other. So this is the second portion. I think it looks cute so far, but of course you already know we gotta add our iron-on pin. So that's going to be the third part. Y'all get the iron nice and popping hot, and then go ahead and get your iron-ons all together. So it already looks cute, but we're gonna add that extra to it. So I picked out a couple. Again, this pack literally had 46, I think, in the pack. And then we're just gonna kind of pick out some cute ones just to kind of put on. So I kind of took them all out just to kind of see what was in there. They had some really cute designs, like this girl power thing, super cute. So I'm gonna add that on that side. We're gonna add them in. They had this cute little look. I thought that was cute because it's kind of like, look at me, look at my skirt. They had little nail polish ones, super cute. We're gonna add that in. And just, you kind of just assort them just the way that you want it. There's no particular way to have them on your skirt. Just kind of add them in. Super cute. And then this Supergirl one, I thought that was so cute. So I was going to put it there, and I was like, maybe just move it down a little bit. Just kind of sort them out. So they had flowers. They had a bunch of cute stuff, y'all. A lot of cute girly stuff. So of course we're gonna add some flowers on it. We're gonna add some girl nail polish. They had some other cute flowers. We're gonna add that at the top. And then of course a lipstick, super cute lipstick. Y'all, this pack really had some good ones. So again, I will leave that in the description box below. It literally had everything. And of course a superstar one. So again, there you have it. There's your skirt. So the iron-ons, you just simply pipe up that iron for a couple minutes, get it nice and hot, and then you see the sticky stuff on the back of it. It's literally just pressing down. Get your iron nice and hot, and you're literally just pressing down on it. Nice and hot. So y'all, I had to wait a few seconds for my iron to kind of kick in a little bit because it wasn't doing nothing. Like the sticky stuff was on there, but it wasn't getting as hot, so I had to wait a couple seconds for my iron to actually get hot. So again, you can see the sticky stuff is like kind of peeling a little bit, but the sticky stuff is on there. So they do have the sticky stuff, so I was just kind of peeling off a little bit of the top layer, and then I was going to add it in. But there you have it. The design is super cute. So y'all, I'll be right back. So here is my actual design of the skirt. I ironed everything down. Y'all, that skirt came out super cute. Y'all, look. So here's the design. I added all of the designs to the skirt. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this skirt, and hit me up if y'all want one. Bye.